What is up, YouTube? So today I want to do an iPhone 12 Pro Max unboxing. It was quite some time ago I did an iPhone unboxing. Like the last iPhone was, I think the iPhone 7 was the last one that I had or bought, and that was quite some time ago. I didn't get the iPhone 8, iPhone X, iPhone 11, but I got this one over here right now. Last year I bought this cool phone, the Galaxy S20 Ultra. Super happy with it. So I was thinking a little bit, okay, what is Apple doing these days? So first I was planning to pick up use the iPhone 12, but I wanted a white color, and the iPhone 12 Pro, it just looked a little better than the iPhone 12, and I thought, okay, let's do this one. And then I wanted a white edition, but then it wasn't available, so I just went with the Pro Max because the others were out of stock. So I was just like, okay, whatever, let's just try it out. It was a long time ago. Okay, so this is how it looks on the back side. You have some interesting text there, but let's just open this one up here. So this is the largest new iPhone. I think it's 6.7 inch. Okay, wow, that's a big iPhone, to be honest. Okay, so I never seen an iPhone this big before. So wow, it has some nice weight to it. Look at that. Look at that camera. That is some cool camera action. It feels premium, like instantly when I pick it up over here. Let's just get a even closer look here at the cameras. And how does it look here from the side? How does it feel? It feels like glass. It feels very premium. But this one feels, I don't know if I like this one around here. It kind of feels a little bit cheap, maybe a little bit plasticky. But the glass thing over here feels very premium. It has almost like a glossy bezel feel on the backside. I love how they went back to the iPhone 4 design, an iPhone 5 design, with the sides. It's just so much premium. It was just always better than the iPhone kind of design, iPhone 7 design that was like rounded. It felt very cheap, the iPhone 7 design. I never really liked it. This one here on the right side. It's nice how they go back to these sides. Like, I like this stuff. Like, that looks cool. So let's see here if we can get a better look. Wow, that looks nice. And this is the gold edition also. Only 128 gigabytes though. And I don't think I can put in a micro SD storage, like an extra card. I don't think you're allowed to do that these days. So okay, it fits nice in the hand also. Okay, so as you know, with these new phones, you don't get a charger in the box, but I already have a USB-C adapter for my Samsung phones, so I'm just going to use this standard cable over here. And you can see that Apple still, they haven't gone fully to USB-C. You still plug in this standard Apple charger from older generation iPhones into the iPhone. They haven't USB-C on there. On my MacBook Pro, for example, you have USB-C charging right in the MacBook Pro, but it seems like Apple may go back to MagSafe again. So they made the boxes smaller. It is very annoying that you don't get an adapter these days, or even in ears. Like, this is quite a phone to get, and you don't even get in ears. I think it's a little silly, to be honest. But yeah, the box is very small, okay? but then you have to buy more boxes if you want an adapter, or yeah, adapter or charging, a charging thing. Okay, small box, not that much inside. Okay, so now we can take off this one here. Okay, nice. I like that. It looks very clean. It almost feels like you're holding gold or something. It's that heavy. Like, it's really heavy. This may actually be, it may even be above 200 grams. It probably is one of the most heavier phones I ever had in my hand. On this side you used to have, is this volume up and down keys? I think so. No, this may not be up. This may just be the power button. Quite big. Here you have volume up and down keys, separate buttons. I like that. And you have like this standard switch here to go to silent, I guess. And you have the charging here. And this looks pretty nice too. So yeah, just a quick unboxing here. Hopefully you enjoyed. Let's just start it up a little quick. See if it turns on. Yes, that's a bright display. It looks more brighter than older generation iPhones. Huh. That's cool. Hello. Okay, so yeah, just a quick unboxing here. Hopefully you enjoyed.